Hey, wherever the ball is going, follow the ball. Don't just follow me this time.
Turtle nuggets and cheese. Yeah.
I would suggest, yeah, this or this. That would be my go. You can move, yeah. So what the penalty was is like right here, right? You're coming, you're rushing, and at the last minute I jumped in front of you. That's what but if I see it's like basketball. Think basketball. You ever played basketball?
Sorry. One.
Is that lost it down? Gotcha. Third down.
Too bad. Daddy said you have to keep it on. One. Two. Knock it off.
What's up, dude? Did you bring any extra flags?
No, I didn't.
Ah.
First and goal. Rush line set.
Matthias. Never mind. Two more plays and you're taking over. Can you stay with us though when we go? Can you stay with us when we go? Like when we're moving forward, stay with us.
No blitz. Ball's out.
Nice, good catch.
We got a catch. We got
down, go. Pass or run.
Greenies touch. Greenies touch.
Pass or run. Rush line set. Good work, guys. Good work.
Hey, what's the wrong, guys? I read it on the TV.
Hey, with me, back up. Back up a little bit. Snapper, back up. Receiver. There we go. You're good.
Come on. All right. What? No, 7-0.
We picked threw a pick on the first play. And then we just threw a second one.
All right, guys, we got a turnover. Come on. Nothing should happen. We're at about 10 minutes. Almost 10 minutes. Left the half. Alright, we're good. Rush line is set. First and red.
The first one they threw out was like 2 notes. That's crazy. And I did not.
There you go, Cole! Come on! Good pull, Cole!
Second down.
Come on!
Hey, that's the Huskies, baby.
Bow down to Washington.
Let's go. Second down, red. Ian. Good. Come up with me a little bit, Shepard. There we go. Left.
On the left.
Go deep, Brian. Keep going.
There you go.
Come on, Kelsey, keep going.
You got 3. Third down.
Third down, gentlemen. On the red line. We're on the red line. I got the cleats in the whip. Let's go.
Clutch it.
You only need one.
Oh, yeah, we got to call cripple. We got to call cripple out here.
No, so at practice he had the crutches, right? Oh no, Josh had him. Freaking caught the ball with the freaking crutches. That's hilarious.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, he wants you deep over here.
I know. I heard him.
Left.
Third
down.
Third down. Let's go. He's going deep. Follow. Go.
You got that, Jay.
Ball's out.
There you go. Keep going.
Yes, right here.
That's short. Anybody want to
Fourth down. What do you guys think?
Hey, we're going for it.
All right,
Rolling.
play.
Hey, play up.
Rush line here.
I'm man on mine. Hey, like a 5 seconds. I'm gonna give it in call.
Eric.
You guys are pretty sick. Go. Pass it off.
Hey, good job. We got 1. First down.
All right, gentlemen, we got first down, blue cone. My rush line set.
Raider, check your flags. I got 1 on the ground. Check your flags. I got 1 on the ground. Also, make sure you got 2 on the hips, 1 in your tailbone.
Should we meet them boys?
Take the snap.
Hey, you guys are. Got it. Yep. Ready, set.
5.
You guys feel good.
Ball's out.
Let's go, Marcus. Let's go, Marcus.
There's second down. 2. Second down, blue.
Let's go, Spartans.
Way to go, team. Rush line set.
What?
Hey, Zach, I got you next play.
Perfect day to play, guys. Perfect.
Let's knock it out. Let's go.
Come up here with me, guys. Come up with me. Step up. There we go. Don't cheat yourself. 10 to snap. Go, Kyle. Go. Got him.
We're down.
We're third down, gentlemen. Third down. My rush line's still set. Play clock is started.
I'm tired or something? A little bit. They just gave me my first short round. Oh, on that point? Yeah. Is it start? Right. Yeah, this is third down.
Ten to snap, guys. 10.
Let's go.
All right. 5, 4, 3.
Hey, you got this. Hey, Cole, play smart.
Go,
Nick, go. Cole, flag.
Oh!
What's the flag?
You got illegal contact on the defense.
Oh!
Illegal contact on the defense.
Is that in?
You cannot jam.
No.
You guys are going to want to decline that.
Yeah.
That penalty is declined.
As soon as the play started, so I thought it was not that.
Oh my. Knock it off. That's what I'm doing. Do not touch.
Hands up and not falling.
All right, gentlemen, run or pass. Rush line is set. We're at 4 minutes. 4 minutes. There we go. Ball's out. No.
Hey, good effort.
What's the down? 4?
No, that's going to be second down.
Second down.
Yeah, because that big run gave them first down.
Yeah.
Right here. Run or pass. Rush line set. Run or pass.
Needs a break.
Second down. Yep. Second down. That's correct, gentlemen.
Talk it out. Let's go.
There we go. Good work. Good work. Watch me. We're good. Good work. Good job. Good job.
Back up, Ian.
Ball's out.
There it is.
Almost had that. Third down.
Hey, Elijah.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Rush line set.
Oh, sorry. Hey. Keep my keys away from him. I think he just did it again. Third down.
Third down, gentlemen. 10 to snap.
Strong left.
5.
Keep coming.
Sit down.
I like that. Rush line is set. Come on, team.
Sit down.
2:14.
Got it.
Can you put the blanket back on the chair?
10 to snap. There you go. Back up, receiver. Back up.
Yeah! Yeah!
Lined up past the neutral zone.
Guys,
This is an NFL game right here.
Not much. I'm being a stinker. He turned on my dad's car alarm.
Busman declared.
He got his keys and stopped pressing
Clock is
buttons.
running, guys. You guys want that? You got timeout?
Ah! I'm currently holding something that I can't do that.
Are you live in it?
My dad wanted me to
Got a
record
buck
it.
32.
132.
That's cheating. And that's cheating. So you can't. I have food in my mouth.
One timeout. Two timeout. We're at a minute 32. All right. Hold on a sec. My rush line is set. All right. Play clock will start.
Go, what is that?
Go. That's four.
Go. Hands up.
We're at 115. Second down. Rush line is
You
set.
take it. Oh my gosh.
110. 105. We're good. 10 to snap.
Hey, buddy.
That's four.
Thank you.
55 seconds.
Yeah, 1 sec. Can you hold that real quick?
Rush line set. Third down.
Sweaty as hell, though.
55. You good? 40.
Big bitch.
He did?
Flag, yeah, bro.
No, it's not you that time.
Oh, okay. Cool. It's on D. It's on D. It's on D.
We have full rush. On the defense. You got that one at the end of the spot right there.
Yeah. Just chilling. Trying to play, but you know.
Hey, you can. You can. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I got 7. Now they got 7. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get this touchdown.
First down. There we go.
Oh my gosh. It's the third one. All right. Hey, can you hold the camera for him because he's getting tired?
Thank you.
Hey, y'all got one timeout.
Keep the camera on the wall. Not that one. Not that one. I saw that and I knew what you were gonna do. Just not that one.
Rush line is set. Stop! We're at 8 seconds.
Yum.
No more timeout. No timeout. One timeout.
Oh, I was like, where's there?
Coming out of a timeout. My rush line is set.
Come on, y'all, make a play.
Yum.
Make a play.
Forgot what she's calling me.
Check the flag. Oh, you gotta do it early. Oh. Jacob in the corner. Oh, shit. Jacob's in the corner. Ball back. No, there you go.
I did a back foot.
You gotta almost like predict the future.
There's no time.
I know. Score is 7-0. I saw you. We have Spartans with the lead. Spartans will have the ball coming out.
Hey, good job,
The
everybody.
headset's not working. I can't hear you. How you doing? Good. Good.
I saw you.
Better?
What?
Hey, right here. Everyone right here. Everyone.
Pick them apart on offense. I mean, I know you're the coach, but I'm saying like.
What's up, Blaine? You want daddy? Daddy will be here in a minute. We could just do one and
The red zone's not working that out. We're locking him down. That's open. Hold failing with him, and if he stays, hey, Mark,
I'll run the safety or the corner off. And if he takes the curl towards the outside.
Leave the blanket on you, okay?
We're fucking way better team than them. There's no reason for us to do this. I fucking hate you. Hey, let's turn this shit around to show them what we can do.
Yeah.
Let's go, Josh. Ya no tengo eso. Ya no tengo eso.
Hey, Brady. Someone else like you was here.
I think they're underestimating me because of my size, because they're leaving me open like almost all day on almost every almost every single one. They're leaving me open almost. I say we hit him first play on you run that full route, run it kind of towards the outside.
Run towards the outside.
Yeah, like angle it towards.
I think I know what you're talking about. Which one? Number one, right?
I run a post here, so I'm gonna run off the corner. I want you to kind of angle it, and then control right behind you. And then it should be open.
Okay.
Now we're on defense first.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, there we go.
Hey, guys, defense going this way.
Good. Glad they didn't change the rules of football.
Oh, no, I mean, there was some confusion. I'm fucking idiot. Thanks, Kyle.
I need my I'm in my truck right now. How do you choose that? Alright, let's get it.
Come on, Mo.
Hey, so you run away from it.
Dude, that was filthy.
Well, maybe you should have fight. It would be an even fight. Yeah.
Right, just right!
Hey, pick it here.
Someone call.
Go!
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Hey, that's good. Take that every time. Hey, that's good, man. That's a good play. Hey, we'll take that all day. Five. Yeah, boy. Take 5.
Second down! Rush line set! Yes! That way you can play more forward. Looking at the running back.
He was throwing it hard, man.
Trip left!
Brady, can you put the blanket back on the chair?
Hey.
Tell him to stop.
There we go.
Go,
Work!
Why?
Hey, nice play. Call that kid.
Oh, you got hit this one.
Yes. All right, gentlemen. We got first down. Greg. Rush line set. That's forward!
Let's go, EJ!
We take 5. 2! Second down! Rush line set! Second down, red.
It's the middle right now.
You doing film?
All right.
That's forward!
Let's go, EJ! Stop. Let's go! Keep it going!
Third down!
What happened?
Third down, red cone. Rush line set.
Get that first down, team. I'm not captain, I'm glad I did No rush, no rush.
Ball's out.
Let's go, Zay.
Nice. Fourth down. All right, guys. Fourth and 3. Hey, Nick, you good? They're running a play.
Hey, don't force me.
Hey, let's go. Hey, fourth down. Let's talk. Rush line is set.
Get set! Get set!
Stay there. Stay. Ball's out.
Nice, let's go!
We got turnover on down. We got first and move.
Do me a favor, be aware of where you're at. You get, I want you like a full yard back if you would. Cool that you're taking video, I just don't want anybody to collide into you, alright?
I can go for a little bit. What?
All right, let's stop.
Do I want a quarter?
Rush line is
No.
set.
He is, right?
My what?
Recording it.
Oh yeah, recording. Yeah, recording. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Ball's out.
Sorry.
Tiffany said when you have a chance, can you call her back to see if you're still meeting her at Denny's at 3:30?
Yeah. Oh.
said you probably are, but
Rush line set. Back up with me.
I said we probably are.
We're good. Back up. Back up. Receiver. There you go.
Oh, go, baby, go! Yeah! Woo! What?
Just standing there,
He just stood there. What do you mean that's a...
but he can't use guys as a blocker.
It's because he's past the line of scrimmage.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, all right. I'm getting used. I'm new to the game this year.
This is our first year, so there's lots of little.
We get it again. We get it again.
They got to get to that blue, so play a little.
Are you going subbing in the next one or? Okay.
Third down. Blue
I'm gonna
cone,
let Luke
guys.
get some time. He made plays when he's in there, so I don't want to take him out.
All right.
Can I get your wrist? Because I'm gonna go in for Steven here in a bit.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you just gotta stay. You just gotta stay. You only can screen in the backfield. Only in the backfield.
Oh, you can screen in the backfield.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? What's up? Oh! 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 Oh, man! Could you hold that and do it? Thank you.
I got my phone.
Okay, I guess I'm leaving him in. I know. Hold on. Hey, Matthias, what's wrong? What's he want? Oh. Excuse me. Woo!
He didn't get touched.
He didn't get touched.
Alright, run the video back.
What?
Nobody touched it.
Nobody was near him.
Can we have the quarterback fix his flags though? Not that it matters.
Oh yeah, I got what you're saying. He does get, that's pretty egregious.
Hey!
Nobody wants to grab his dick. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't got big enough hands, you know.
Not that it matters.
Oh my gosh.
Can we have the quarterback put his flag on his back instead of in the front?
We got second down.
Can we have him fix his flag on
Rush
the
line
front?
is set. QB, fix your flags. 2 at the hip, 1 in the back.
Not that it matters. It's shifty, but.
Whoa.
That's gotta be a penalty.
Quarterback will be touched. Quarterback is touched.
On your butt.
Oh, it's because you.
Thank
10 to snap. Hey, Josh, over here. Go.
Okay. There we go. Good job, guys.
You got a touchdown. All right, gentlemen, go 1.
Let's tie it up.
Let's go. Tie it up.
Go 1.
What?
Score 7-6. It's returnable. It's returnable.
I haven't been.
Rush
I don't
line
have
is
any on.
set.
I'm touch.
Oh.
I've already told the refs I'm touch.
Oh.
Get those flags good, guys. 2 at the hip, 1 in the back. Can't control the weather.
Slam his ass down.
Out of time. We're good.
When we're out there on defense, I'm going to cover the outside the flats, so play more towards the middle.
Okay.
10 snap.
Kyle.
Ball's out.
Oh,
Hey, that's good.
that's close.
Oh, man. Okay. Matthias. Come on.
Remember, both teams have 2 timeouts. My rush line is set. First and blue.
Let's go, run it! Run it!
Second down, blue go!
Is it white and blue or not?
Good work, guys.
Sit down.
Stand the snap!
I got pink seat.
Go up, Brad! Run it!
Go, Brad, keep going.
Let's go, Brad! Go, Brad! Good stuff, Brad.
We got first down. First and red.
Oh, damn.
You feel that way when you put your pants on? My elbow hurts.
Stay over that direction. You got red. Yep.
When you play tactical ball, you got pads down to here. You don't realize that.
Balls out.
Let's go, Nick!
Let's go!
Catch, boy! Hey, good stuff, Nick! I'm on my first behavior. Hey, play smart, no penalties. Let's go!
We got first down. First and goal. My rush line set. Gentlemen, what? Under 8 minutes. Under 8 minutes. Under, and we're at 7:30. That's 4.
Run it!
There you go.
Hey, who need a break? Need some?
Check it out.
Y'all good?
Rush line set.
I missed you, man. I just wanted to give you a hug.
My line's clean.
You got Gordy.
Balls out.
Come on. You got
Let's
Gordy.
go!
Pick it up. Oh, let's go. Flag first.
I was trying not to have it run into me. I was like,
You're near your brother.
told him to take a nap.
Yeah, he wasn't listening for nothing.
Yeah, because he was having a nap.
Still second down, right? Still first down.
Thank you. Hey, they don't want us to be up that close on the line. They want us like back here along right here. Oh! Touchdown! It's in! What? That was instant replay.
Hey, you recording that or not?
Yeah. Challenge. Who's got a red flag? Besides our own teammate.
He stepped out first, guys. He stepped out first. 1, 2. Second down. Second down. Second down. Back here. 2:45.
6, 7.
I got it.
Woo! Nice. All right. Hands. 220, guys. Let's go. Touchdown, 2 point. Touchdown, 2 point.
Easy.
How's that not a flag? I gotta get better at this.
2-minute warning.
Rush line is set. Both teams will have 2 timeouts.
Let's get that fresh set of downs. Oh, it's up here.
Back up, touch on you, Zach. Touch on you. He's touched. Go, Angel. Go upfield. Go upfield, Angel. Ball's out. Get him. Go. Angel. Clock is running, guys.
Hey, clock's running. Let's go. Let's go.
Third down.
Hey, third down. Let's get the first.
Hey, they only got to get blue. But don't let him score because that would be tough. He's touched.
No, he's not. Man up.
He's touched. Yeah. He's touched. He's touched. Clock stops.
Oh, hey, he's hurt.
No, I missed the last time. 135.
Minute 35, gentlemen. We got a first down. Clock will start up.
What is it? Achilles or what?
You
feel like a baby? What?
Give him a minute.
Come on.
Good? Yeah, bro. Alright. Oh, you got that ankle? You gotta come off for a play.
You gotta
come off for a play.
I got it.
Oh, yeah. You gonna take a minute or you gonna go back in after this play?
Hey.
We can't lose this game. Come on.
Run.
Damn it.
Let's go! That's what I'm talking about!
Flag card. Let's go! Hey! We got a minute 19.
How many timeouts?
2 timeouts for both teams.
First down. It's good money.
First down.
First down. Good
My
money.
rush line is set.
We need the defense won the game, right? We got to the one twice, dude. We got to the one twice. The one twice, yo.
5, 4, 3.
He's offside.
Go! Yards!
Come out.
Offside.
Yep, early.
Ellie Rock with the
Oh!
We got Tony Rush on the defense.
You're one strike past the rush line, man.
I started from way back here, bro.
We want that run start.
It's going to still be first down.
Hey, Cole.
Hey, you guys want that timeout?
One first down. Can we kneel?
No, it's going to be first down.
First time out, right?
Good job.
On that penalty, Buffalo starts snapping the ball. No, it's going to start on the ready. On the ready, guys. So they took the timeout. Yeah, because they took the timeout.
Can the rusher be in motion? They just got to be behind the 10-yard line?
Yeah. The rusher can run all along the line.
Full like this, past the line. I'm saying like that one that we did, he was running around the back.
Yeah. 1 timeout left. 2 timeouts.
Because even if you don't come, it just you think somebody's coming.
Yeah, you're like 2 steps past me.
All right, coming out of the timeout.
If you don't cross the line of scrimmage, you're fine.
My rush line is set. 1:14 left to game.
First down.
First down. Blue cone.
Yeah.
Back.
What's up? Hey, let's go.
Clock is running. We got 109. Play clock will start.
Hey, Jake.
X.
Over where? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Love you too. Bye.
10 to snap, guys. 10 to snap.
Hey, let's move. 10 to snap. Let's go.
8,
Let's go.
7, 5, 6,
4.
3, 2, 1.
Play smart. Play smart. Run, Jacob. Run.
First down, Jay.
Keep going. Let's go.
Clock is running. You guys want that timeout?
All right, third down.
Hey, let me get.
Still running.
32 seconds.
Need that first.
Hey, 32 seconds.
Hey, let me get for somebody. They're going. They're not Jake.
Did they call timeout?
Oh, you should almost say that. I know, I should have switched to the other. Jacob. Hey, man, keep it on the ground, yo. You gonna turn it to 4 seconds?
Rush line is set. We'll be coming out of timeout. No more timeout. Black.
Got it.
2 timeouts. Guys, we're at 32 seconds.
Third down.
32.
Come on, guys.
Hey, play smart. Take a sec. Take your time. Take your time. We got no more timeout. Go. Down that shit. I don't care. Let's go! Let's go!
No, we're good. We're good. No, They don't have any timeout.
How much time left? We got 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds?
Hey, one more smart play. Let's go.
You don't even have to run a play.
Oh, just take a knee. You don't even have to run a play. Victory formation.
Kneel it.
You didn't even practice that one.
Pull. Don't even hike it. He said you don't have to hike it. Don't even hike it.
Let's go! Good job, everybody! Good job, let's go! That's what I'm talking about! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about!
I got your nose.
No, don't tell it now.
Game's over.
Oh, game's over? Who won?
Yep. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we did.
What was the score? 14-7?
14-6.
He's cranky.